Once we've created a Google form and we are ready to view the responses and grade the form, head back over into your Google Drive and locate the form. Remember, there will be a title for the form, and then there'll be a separate title for those responses. In order to grade your Google form, you have to create an answer key. And the easiest way to do that is to go to your live form and submit the answers, the correct answers. In the name field, type in answer key. Then submit the correct responses. And hit submit. Now we'll take on the role of a student. And now as Sarah, I'm going to go in and submit my own responses. And now David comes along and also submits his responses. We should now have an answer key plus two student responses showing up in our spreadsheet. So let's go back and view that now. Back in the drive, remember we want to go into the responses title. And what we should see is a spreadsheet with our answer key and Sarah and David's responses. In order for us to grade this Google form, we need to run a script called Flubaroo. We do that by going up to the Insert menu and selecting Script. Search the script gallery for Flubaroo. Then select Install. You will need to authorize the installation of Flubaroo, and you will only have to install Flubaroo once for every Google form that you create. Once you receive this notice, select Authorize. Then select Close, and then close the script gallery window. Notice now we have Flubaroo as an option in our menu. So we select it and we choose to grade the assignment. Flubaroo is now running the script, and we will then set up the answer key and grade the assignment. If this is a formative assessment or a quick learning check, it may not always be beneficial to run Flubaroo. However, if this is a Google form that has captured several answers, then Flubaroo is a great option to quickly grade your student submissions. Step 1 to grading through Flubaroo is to just identify each of the fields. It's telling us that our first question, which is the name of the students, identifies their name, and then each question is given a single point. We'll select Continue. Our second step is to identify the answer key, and then select Continue. Flubaroo has now graded our assignment, and we can choose to view the grades. What we see here is that Sarah received 0 points and David received 2 points. Here's their percentage, and here is how the class as a whole scored on each question. If we need to regrade the assignment because additional submissions were given, or if the answer key has changed because we're using this as a template, simply go back up to Flubaroo and choose to regrade the assignment. From the script, you can also email grades and view additional reports. And that's how you use Flubaroo in order to grade Google Forms.